Hey guys, today I'm making coconut rice. I'm not using the air fryer. I just use this coconut milk. Fish fillet. I marinated it with lemon pepper. And I'm going to make a special tartar sauce. Hapa kuna coriander, onions, lemon, mayo. You mix them all together in a bowl. You get your special tartar sauce. So let's see how it goes. Hey guys, dinner is ready. This is just basic spinach. It is our coconut rice, and then our fish fillet, and a special tartar sauce. So this one I made in about 15 minutes. This is just quick fix. Yep, so I'm gonna take it to my husband and he'll let me know how it tastes. Good night.